If you have ever wished of buying an Apple device, then you must have come across this most advertised term by Apple, and that is the Retina display. Well, why is it said that this Retina display is the best display out in the market, and whether the display of your device which you are holding right now in your hand is a better one than this Retina display or not? We will find out in this video, so stay tuned till the end of this video. And if you have landed new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, because regularly I keep on bringing such interesting tech videos for you. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. There are a lot of myths regarding this Retina display out in the market. Even I have asked the salesperson of the Apple store that what actually is this Retina display all about, and all I have got is that this is the best display out in the market, this has a resolution equal to your eyes, and so and so. But the truth is, Retina display is just a marketing term used by Apple to gain the attraction of its buyers. Ever since the launch of the iPhone 4, almost every iPhone device is shipping with a Retina display, and even the iPad Pro and the MacBooks are having this Retina display. Well, according to Steve Jobs, Retina display is a term which is set for the standard of the display that Apple is manufacturing. You must be amazed to know that almost every iPhone device that you are getting now is having that same IPS LCD panel which any other budget normal Android phones are having. Only the difference being that these Apple panels are having a bit higher luminance value and a better viewing angles. The standards set by Apple for this Retina display are that the devices will be having such a higher pixel density that a normal human eye cannot make out between the individual pixels beyond a distance of 12 inches. The iPhone 4, the iPhone 5 or the iPhone SE all have a similar pixel density of 324 ppi, but the launch of the iPhone 6s Plus saw the Retina HD display. Well, why is that? Because this device is having a bigger display of 5.5 inches, but again the pixel density remains the same, that is 326 ppi. And in all these displays, you cannot make out between the individual pixels beyond a distance of 12 inches. Well then, even in the MacBooks, you can see a Retina display, but unfortunately the base variant of the MacBook Air does not have one. Well, why is that? Any normal MacBook Pro is having a display with a pixel density of 207 ppi. Well, this is much lower than those of the iPhone's display. But actually, a MacBook will be used from a distance farther away than you will use an iPhone. And that is where it comes that you will not be able to make out between the individual pixels. Have a look at this device. This is having a 5.5 inch Full HD resolution display that is 1080 into 1920 pixels. So from this distance, it is quite hard to make out between the individual pixels. And if you zoom in and get quite closer to the display, then you can easily make out between the individual pixels. And that is what Apple claims to be a Retina display, that beyond a certain distance, any normal human eye retina cannot make out between the individual pixels. When the iPhone 4 was launched, it was the only device in the market with such a higher pixel density. But gradually, when more smartphone manufacturers came into the market, they were able to successfully achieve a much higher pixel density than the iPhones. Well, most of the Full HD display panels which you will be getting right now will be having a pixel density of more than 400 ppi, which reduces the minimum distance to make out between the individual pixels to less than 12 inches. Well, there are also Super Retina HD panels made by Apple, and that is used in the iPhone X. This is having just a higher pixel density, and the display panel used is not a normal IPS LCD but a Super AMOLED panel. So this wraps up the concept of Retina display by Apple, and by now I hope you have realized that any other normal display in the budget segment smartphones, even the one that you are holding right now in your hand, is having a better display resolution and a higher pixel density than any other Apple device. So I hope this video helped you in getting a clear idea about what this Retina display is all about and how Apple is using a marketing term to market its devices. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If this video helped you, make sure to leave behind a big thumbs up for this video. Also share this video with all your friends and family, and before leaving, make sure to subscribe to the channel along with pressing the bell icon beside it so that you never miss an awesome tech update from my side. See you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.